Hello students, now we will go through the LP4. The Indian government. Aim of the LP4 is to identify the structure of the Indian government. The keywords are central government, prime minister, president, parliament, Supreme Court. So these are the keywords of the LP4. Now all of you students open your page number 137 in content book, and you have to read the paragraph central government and state government. The president along with the prime minister and the council of ministers form the executive body of the country. The parliament is the main legislative body. The Indian parliament has two houses, Lok Sabha lower house and the Rajya Sabha upper house. The Lok Sabha has 552 members and Rajya Sabha has 250 members. The Supreme Court is the highest judicial body of the country. It protects the laws and settles disputes. The member of the parliament are usually elected from different political parties. The party that gets the most number of votes forms the government. The leader of the parties become the prime minister. Every state of India has its own government, that is state government. Okay, in the state the governor, the chief minister and the council of ministers form the executive body. Most states in India have only one house in the state legislature called legislative assembly. Only 6 states have 2 legislatives in the state legislative. The others are called legislative council. The legislative assemblies are located in the state capital. The High Court is the highest judicial organ of the state. Usually most high courts are located in the state capitals. The central government is more powerful than the state government. In case of the disagreement between the state and the center, the center's decision will be the final one. Okay, so this is about the reading section. You must have to read this paragraph. Okay, so students, what it actually means, what are the things that we are discussing today, how the government will work. Okay, so in LP3 we have discussed about the 3 organs are there, right? 3 organs are there in the central government. So first one is legislature, executive, judiciary. So here you can see legislature having the parliament. Okay, what the legislature will do, student? It will make the law. So parliament, it is one of the house, right? It is one of the assembly, we can say. In that we are having the 2 houses, right? 2 different houses. One is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha means lower house, Rajya Sabha means upper house. Okay, so students, these 2 houses, so the members of these 2 houses will make the laws. Okay, they will make some of the laws. If all are agree, then it will go to the executive, right? Here in executive, the second organ of the government, that is executive. Here who are included in this? Of course the parliament, which makes the laws, right? And council of ministers, some of the ministers will be there. And next one is the main prime minister, PM. Okay, prime minister of the country. Then last one is judiciary, right? Which will take the actions who will not follow the law, right? So in judiciary, there is, in central government, in judiciary, which will be the judiciary, Supreme Court. Okay, Supreme Court is the judiciary here. And this parliament with its 2 houses makes the laws for the country, and prime minister and the councils of ministers help to carry out the laws and make sure that they are followed. Okay, and here Supreme Court is there na. This Supreme Court makes sure that if anyone who breaks the law will be punished. Okay, so students, this is about the central government, right? So like that only same state government is also there. In that you can see in the content book it has been given in judiciary high court is there, not supreme court. Okay, and in executive body there is council of ministers are there, right? And legislative assembly, mainly one legislative assembly will be there. Okay, so that is about the assemblies are located especially in the state capital and high court. These are the about the state government. If are any issues between the state government and central government, okay, then who will any disagreement case will be there, means always the central government decision will be the final one. Okay, it will not listen to the state government. Okay, so this is about the Indian government. Now all of you open your 32 page number, write today's date, fill in the boxes to show that central government is how it is organized. Okay, right here you have to write how I shown you here na. These things you have to write here upside. Then last, state government. If you read the content book, then only you will come to know. That's why I not shown you the flowchart of state government, how it will work. Okay, if you read the content book, easily you come to understand. There are more similarities between state government and central government. Okay, only the thing, high court, supreme court, and councils of ministers, these are differ, they are different. Legislative assemblies, right? And here Lok Sabha, Upper Sabha, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha will not be there in the state government. So read the content book and complete the workbook. Here we have completed LP4. Next week we will go through with another block.